Hello everyone. Today we're going to share ideas about growing cherry tomatoes in a pot. Now as you can see, this cherry tomato is just growing happily and freely as it wants. I have not staked it. And this cherry tomato plant is only one of 3 vegetables in a relatively humble pot of 12 liters. And here, the second vegetable you can see is hot chili. And on the other side, cascading down, is another cherry tomato plant. And there is an abundance of fruit on this plant as well. So you may wonder, how come 3 vegetables can grow healthily and abundantly in a small, relatively small pot? Well, it's because I've used what's called a deep root method. So I started by filling the pot with 7, 8 or 9 centimeters of compost and grew 3 seedlings. As the seedlings got bigger, I began to pick leaves off and filling in the pot with more soil or compost. And if we look at the edge, there's still a bit of distance before the pot is filled. That's because I ran out of compost. But I still wanted to just experiment with 1 pot and a minimal amount of or optimal, I would like to call it optimal amount of compost. Today we can see the 3 vegetables are growing happily and abundantly. If you, like me, who want to have optimal growth of vegetables without wasting compost or water, you may want to consider this method. So imagine if I have those 3 plants in 3 pots, then I would need to use 3 times the amount of water every day. So far, I'm happy with the ways these vegetables are growing, and this is definitely something I want to this is definitely the method I want to grow more vegetables next season. Okay, all the best with yours, and if you have questions, please just post your questions down below.